went to the mall. I'm going to say this. Someone is lying. Somebody is lying. Someone is lying on the internet, because Albert Mall is not what I expected. It was a bit crowded. Too much was going on. That's all I can say. And I think because I have been exposed somewhat, where when it comes to quality of items, I am very critical. Like, I really look at the details. So yes, you can get a bulk of stuff, a lot of stuff at Albert Mall. Cheap. You can pack up multiple suitcases, cheap clothes. But what type of quality? Like, I look at a bra, you could get it for like $2. But why is the string and the stitching on the bra leaving the bra? So you get a colorful bra, but the quality is low. That's all I'm gonna say. Cheap on both sides. However, I did try to pick up a few things. I did try to look around. It got a bit overwhelming for me. And then I went to Multiplaza. Multiplaza is nice. It's not doing too much. It's not too much crowd. You can walk around with ease. I like Multiplaza. And since I got one thing from Multiplaza, I'm going to show you. I went to Alice Home. And I bought a vase for my side table. See, I told you I was decorating my room and all of that. Look at this cute vase. And I got it for like $11. Extremely cute. Let me quickly look it up. But it was extremely cute. You walk around, you can find some really nice home stuff at Albrook. Not Albrook, at Multiplaza. Hold on. Let me put it in a bubble bag. Wrap it in bubble bag.